in the settings and the cleaning list. There you have all the type of the apartment that you have now connected, and you have also the QR code that will be marked in each room for the cleaning team with the scan when they are finished. For example, here is apartment 102 and 202 that we make before. You can take a look right here, the property list, and this is the apartment that we make, and we can see the name of the apartment, and it shows up the same here, the same name that we name it, and the type studio, and then we can click on the QR code, and here we have QR code that are connected with apart 202. We can also mark here how long time it will be take to clean the apartment. We can say maybe this take 45 minutes. Now we have here everything set up like we are connected in the system, hotel connection with every apartment, and also the property that are manual setup.